You're up here on the hill, right? So now push it, just push it a little bit. You'll see when that one kerf closes as far as it's going. Just kind of
hopefully goes that way, right?
Well, it's not going anywhere, I don't think. See? Now it has to go sideways to be able to really rip that hinge off, because even that doesn't have enough weight to be able to pull all those fibers apart, so it's got to break them sideways. And a lot of times that's what will happen, because you got a little bit more on one side than the other.
Now what if you went back into your undercut?
Yeah, you're taking the hinge off. Basically, it'll come down. But you
Is
know
that what you would do in this situation, or what would be your best?
Well, the best
course
thing
of
is don't
action
screw
here?
it up to begin with.
But we did. So now what do we do?
Well, here, you know, you either to get a notch to work, that's the same as just having a straight kerf down, but a lot more work, isn't it?
Right.
So here, if you just put a straight cut and then come up under it, it's going to stop up here wherever you finish the kerf. But here now, if you continue on, you could have it move sideways. So that's the reason why to get a notch and a hinge to work to maintain the side to side and let it down slowly is you gotta have it matched up. Okay. So if you want, you can cut that hinge off a little bit more and it starts to move, just back up, because it could go sideways. It's probably gonna go straight, but it could go sideways. Yeah. But you'll watch the pressure there now as it starts to go. You'll see the fibers start to split and it'll start to push away. Just use the tip of the bar all the way through, and just a little bit, and then see if it pops. All the way underneath. Very nice. Okay. See, when you go this way, this side's not cutting. When you go this way, that side's not cutting. So the best way to cut wood is straight. So now just take and push. How much hinge you got on the other side?
Yeah, I think the backside's a little thick.
Yeah. And don't cut your hinge off now, just thin it out. Same slot, go in the same slot. So you're kind of in control of it. Now you can start, you know, to take the butt one way or the other, and that can help to walk it out. I think this one is probably stuck. But if you take another segment off, it may swing, and then it may slide down again. It could break that limb off there too, so we got to watch for that. But it's a little bit breezy today to be playing with it, but you got the right concept going on. But if you just try one more and kind of angle it and see if we can take the butt over that way.
You want to try this one? Sure.
If you want the butt to go this way, your notch goes right here.
Yeah.
And then you back cut to that and then push it out this way.